Well, good morning, guys. You saw we came down yesterday, so it shouldn't surprise you that the start today is a steep and rocky uphill. And the big one today is Kinsman, the south and north peaks of Kinsman. So today's gonna be about a 16.5 mile day. Anyway, steep ascent right here. Just wanted to kick you off. See you a little later. Okay, so we did that first ascent very quickly and rather easily. We did it literally in less than 40 minutes. So this is basically what you have, rocks and roots. But today, beautiful, had rain yesterday, then humidity dropped, temperature dropped, got quite cool into the 40s last night. Today, down in Lincoln, I don't think it's even supposed to hit 70. So up here, you know, what do they say, 3.5 degrees for every 1,000 feet. So you're gonna be in the 50s. All right, going back up an ascent, so I'll leave you for now. If you're gonna keep pushing me uphill, at least make it beautiful like this, huh? Look at that, isn't that wild? All of these trees and moss-covered rocks. Yep. So this is just one more section coming up the Kinsman. I hope it helps some of you coming behind to get a feel for how things change as we progress up the trail. This is nice. It's not bad. All right, back at you. So if you come up to the summit and outlook of Wolf Mountain, this is the view you have. I don't know what that mountain is right there, but it sure is a beauty. It is very majestic, but you can see not a great view, but what you can see is pretty spectacular. So anyway, this is it. And this is the path that will lead you back down to the trail. So in really 2 hours, it's about 5 miles up, and I'll give you the elevation, but anyway, it's Wolf Mountain. No, didn't I tell you? Here's the Eliza Brook Camp shelter, but I told you who we'd find. And it's the same cast of characters. Blueberry, Pickle, and Buckeye. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, I'm Scars.
I'm just Mick. I don't have a name yet.
Just Mick? All right, Just Mick, that's cool. Here's the waterfall that you'll see as you climb Kinsman. Beautiful, huh? Okay, I just want to give you a quick view of, I assume this is what the rest of the whites will look like. It's what parts of Moosilauke look like. Certainly Sobo Moosilauke looked like this for the hikers. We were coming down this sort of terrain more than going up it, frankly. There are a few spots, but now this is Kinsman. So, yeah, it's just a lot of rock scramble. Beautiful. Some of it you can see is spectacular. But this is what it is. Well, the trail turned to swampy shit. But check out this view. Check it out. So, this going up Kinsman is a horrendous rock scramble. But when you can look back and see that, you at least know it's going to be worthwhile. It's beautiful, huh? Look at this down through here. We've been coming down this hill from Kingsman. Oh my heavens. Again, it's not as bad as Moosilauke like yesterday, but I'm telling you, it's still a heck of a downhill. Look at this mess. It has been slow going the whole way, but trying to make the road by 4:30. It's currently 3, and I'll bet we probably have about 4 miles to go. So it's going to be close, but once we get off of this, then it's supposed to go to relatively level terrain. And if that happens, then, we'll be at 3 miles an hour and be able to make up the time.